Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some Dollar Tree makeup products that I personally feel are like high-end, or as good as high-end, comparable to high-end. So I thought this would be fun because I do think if you're not familiar with Dollar Tree makeup, sometimes people just think it's all like crap, none of it's good. And that's true with any drugstore, high-end products. It can always be hit or miss. However, Dollar Tree does have some gems because I don't just use Dollar Tree makeup, you guys. I use drugstore and high-end as well. I have a very eclectic makeup collection. So these products, in my opinion, I feel are as good as high-end. So if you're new to my channel, first of all, thank you so much for clicking on my video, and I do hope that you'll stick around and become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. And of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for returning for another video. I'll have my Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below. Like I said, if you're new and you love Dollar Tree oriented or affordable beauty content, you are definitely in the right place. So I'll have those playlists and videos linked down below. That way you can binge watch more videos like this. And the makeup I'm wearing is actually all Dollar Tree. I did a full face of Dollar Tree makeup that I either don't like or I don't reach for that is in my collection. So I think that video is going to be up by the time this video goes up, so I will have that link down below as well. So definitely see how I feel about everything, and you can also come up with your own conclusions. So yeah, anyways, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So the first thing I'm going to start with is primers. And so these two products here, I think are every bit as good as anything you would find at a drugstore or in the more high-end price range. And they're fairly new from LA Colors. Now they've had these primers forever that are like color, you know, they've got like a yellow, a peach, green, and then they do have a transparent. Not the best, you know what I mean? I've enjoyed the yellow one before because of how it makes my, kind of tones down redness in my skin, but they're not the best primers. Definitely not comparable to probably some high-end stuff. But these two here, I feel are. You've got the face primer and the eye primer. And they also have an eye primer this is for the matte finish, and they also have one for a shimmer finish. And I don't know if there's a lot of difference, but what I love about this eye primer, you guys, is it's got a little bit of color in it, so it kind of evens out the skin tone on your eyes and gives you like a nice canvas to put your eyeshadow on. And it's really smooth and silky. Same thing with the face primer. It just goes on and it's very smooth. It goes on clear, unlike their other primers. And just, yeah, really, really nice products. The little packaging is super cute, super convenient. I do very much enjoy using these two products here. I don't notice a difference between those and this personally. And the same thing with this. I don't notice a difference with the e.l.f. or the hard candy ones that I have, which I did get at the Dollar Tree, but they're obviously a drugstore product, or the Estee Lauder and Smashbox one I've used. This here I feel is every bit as good. So I'm gonna get this one here out of the way because lately I've been like a broken record with this because it's new to my collection. Recently I was able to find all the Ioni makeup and I tested it in a video, and the show-stopping product, if you've been on my channel, you know, I know, I've been saying it like every single video. This Ioni black eyeliner is amazing, amazing. This here doesn't just rival the drugstore stuff, it would rival anything high-end. I have the Urban Decay 24/7 pencil. This is every bit as good, you guys. This takes literally like, I'm not even putting any weight. Like I'm just like literally like cascading it on my arm. It goes into the waterline legit better. Like I would if I had to like throw away one pencil, between my Urban Decay and this, if I had to throw one in the trash right now, I would throw away the Urban Decay. This is amazing. Definitely, definitely like a high-end product. Better. Then again, if you've been on my channel, you know this. I've actually done like several different eye looks with these quads, and I'll have those videos linked down below. But these three LA Colors quads are amazing. You guys, seriously amazing. I left out the Smokey one because I didn't feel like that one was as good. But these here, the Rose, the Bear, and the Heat, like I said, I do have high-end makeup. I've got a whole collection of eyeshadow palettes. I've got stuff from the drugstore. I have a very eclectic collection. So I know what a high-end eyeshadow feels like. These mattes, especially the dark mattes, are so creamy. And the shimmers with a wet brush, probably not even with you probably don't even have to use a wet brush. I just always do, no matter what, even with my high-end stuff. These matte shades are so creamy. All of the shimmers just are like, they're so intense, they're so good. And these color stories are just wonderful. You get a light and a dark. Like each one makes its own like look. Absolutely stunning, stunning, stunning. I haven't seen them for a while in the Dollar Tree, but they have been out here and there. And really, I've got a couple of other quads from the Dollar Tree that I found a couple years ago, and the quality is the same. When LA Colors starts selling a quad at the Dollar Tree, that's going to be your best quality eyeshadow at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, amazing. Like I said, they are like any high-end eyeshadow. Even better. Like I said, I like these mattes better than Anastasia Beverly Hills, which are flaky. You know, there's a lot of kick up and stuff. These not as much. They're just creamy and amazing. So yeah, definitely like high-end. Which leads me to another eyeshadow. This brand was new a few months ago at the Dollar Tree, the Be Beauty Essentials brand. And they have a couple products that are some duds, a couple of them I'm wearing right now. But one thing that was not a dud in that collection was their eyeshadow singles. They had 6, I got 6 eyeshadow singles. I think that's all they had. That's all I've ever seen. First of all, the pan size is really big. So I'm just gonna show you one as an example. This right here is the shade Helpful. They have beautiful, rich, there's no mattes, but when I did the video, when I did the full face of their makeup, I was able to make a cohesive look because you can kind of make them shimmery and you can also apply them like a matte and get a complete eye look. These, again, were amazing, buttery quality. I mean, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So all 6 of the shades, I've used all 6 of them, all beautiful, stunning, gorgeous. So if you want some other good eyeshadow and you come across these, I still see these kind of at random. They don't have a big display of this anymore, but I'll still see single eyeshadows throughout the makeup section. Definitely pick them up and try to get them all because they are really, really beautiful. And again, the quality is amazing. I can't imagine that if you buy an Urban Decay single, which I've got a few, I don't think the quality of those are any better than the quality of these. It's definitely a gem in the makeup department of Dollar Tree. So now for loose powders, and this was just kind of luck that I acquired this. I did have a friend send this to me from her Dollar Tree, and it's amazing. It is definitely like a high-end powder, in my opinion, and really it's great even at like a drugstore price range. This right here, it's the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Translucent Loose Powder, and it's just this like white kind of powder. It's translucent, doesn't show up as white at all, but it's velvety. It's so like luxurious feeling, you guys. Just, I feel like it makes you look filtered. It's so pretty. Then this blush here by LA Colors. I don't have a ton of experience with cream blushes, but I do think this product here is kind of fancy. And I can't imagine that something from NARS or something like that would be any better. I've always enjoyed using this. It's the LA Colors Blush Stick. And I think they had a couple different shades. This was in Flushed. I've also got a highlighter. I like to take like a brush and then put it on that way. Because I used to have a hard time with creamed products like this. And it was just because I didn't really know the best way to apply it. But see, I'm just gonna kind of apply it with my finger. So with a brush, you do get more of a delicate kind of an effect. And it just looks so beautiful on the skin, you know, just looks dewy and awesome. Like I said, applied with a brush. Fancy, it kind of has a fancy feel and just gets a really nice effect in my opinion. So I don't feel you could get something better high end. I think this here does every bit as good. I'm gonna do a fun item here real quick just because I just can't really wait. So I've come across these at Dollar Tree. Actually, these were sent to me by my same friend from Dollar Tree. You can also find them at the drugstore. At least I know they make these for sure. It's just some hard candy pressed glitters. And I did not expect to love these as much as I do. So first of all, you can see that the glitter goes all the way through. These are just amazing for the money. And I'm gonna swatch and then I'm gonna compare. So that is what it's like. Isn't that just stunning? So now I'm gonna compare that with the only high-end pressed glitters I have are in this palette here, this Pretty Rich palette. So I'm gonna go into the shade here because it's kind of comparable. It's called Fluent in Diamonds. These pressed glitters are really amazing too, and that's kind of my point. So the hard candy's on the bottom and the Too Faced is on the top. Absolutely stunning. These are every bit as good as high-end, even at the drugstore price point. Like I said, you may not find hard candy pressed glitters at the Dollar Tree every day. I know I certainly don't. Then we got Wet n Wild. This is a, typical. Profusion's really good too, by the way. But yeah, you get your Wet n Wild. I got this at Walmart. See all that separation and all that kind of stuff? Not nearly as good. So even just outside the Dollar Tree world, these hard candy pressed glitters, every bit as good as something in a high-end price point. So then something else that I have found, I've actually found these on more than one occasion, but it's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. This is in the shade Caramel Toffee. This is an amazing contour kit. Even, at the drugstore price, you get a lot for your money. I've actually bought several of these at the drugstore and then found them at the Dollar Tree. And yeah, just a really good contour palette. I actually reach for this more than I reach for my NARS. I have a NARS contouring palette that I've had for years. And it's just so good. And I like that you get like even the amount of colors. What I never liked about NARS is that they made their lighter shade smaller. They made the pan of the lighter shade smaller, which is like opposite. If I had to choose, I would pick one the other way around. But yeah, I picked this over my NARS every day. So I think that's every bit as good as high end. Then this concealer here, I found this a few months ago. It's from e.l.f. It's the Cover Everything concealer. And this is like my favorite, not just my favorite like Dollar Tree concealer, it's like my favorite concealer in my collection. But it's just really good. It comes in this little package here and it covers wonderfully. It's smooth, it's creamy, it's easy to blend. This is every bit as good as any high-end concealer I've ever used. So now we get a couple of highlighters. So this one, I've had this for a couple years. It's the LA Colors highlighter in Jazzy. This was the Beauty Through the Decades line. And of course, we all know that the highlighters, just the regular highlighters that you see all the time are wonderful, absolutely wonderful. I want to just kind of showcase some different items. So here are 3 different highlighters on my hand. The top 2 are from LA Colors, and the bottom one is from Benefit. So one at the very top is the Jazzy. The one in the middle is from LA Colors. It's Glow Time. I actually ran out of the other shade, Shine Bright. And then the one on the bottom is the Cookie Bronzer from Benefit. And so as you can see, you definitely don't need to spend a lot of money on highlighters. These are every bit as good. Now it is fun. I did splurge on this because I heard it was amazing, and it is. But you can definitely, if you're on a budget, you can definitely find good highlighters. These here are there all the time. They have the other shade as well. They're there all the time. You can almost always find them. And this one out here, not as much, but if they come up with like if LA Colors comes up with like another highlighter, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So yeah, definitely like high end in my opinion. So another fun product is like liquid eyeshadow. So if you've been lucky enough to find the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit liquid eyeshadows, you will not be disappointed. In fact, I have this Stila. This is a Glitter and Glow. This is in Lilac Ice. And look at how similar they are, you guys. Really, I only buy these Stilas or have bought these like Stila ones because for a long time you really couldn't find products like this somewhere else, like the drugstore, let alone the Dollar Tree. And now like e.l.f. makes them and CoverGirl makes them and all that kind of stuff. But Wet n Wild. But there was a time I think you could only buy like Stila. That was just how it was. And then now they pop up at the Dollar Tree. The Stila is on the top and the Wet n Wild is on the bottom. They're slightly different shade, but they're beautiful. They make a beautiful inner corner highlight. I don't know what other shades they have of these, but I've got 2 different ones. This is another shade. This one here is Goldilocks. And you can see it there on the side. Just beautiful. Like I said, you can find kind of specialty products at the Dollar Tree. LA Colors also has an entire line of like liquid shadows that are like really like metallic-y. They're not sparkly, they're more like metallic. Again, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I've even found hard candy ones. So definitely check your Dollar Tree if you want like a more budget-friendly version of something like this. Like I said, and sparkle is sparkle. You know what I mean? They will add that sparkle that you need and want in your life. So the last product, and I actually don't have my Benefit High Beam here with me. It's actually at work. I've got like a little bit left in the jar. But a product that, again, like I said, I probably would have never bought that when I did if I knew that LA Colors had products like this. They've got several different shades of these. This is the most similar to like the Benefit High Beam, which of course was huge years and years and years ago. Of course the hype has died down, but this is an Angelic Glow. It comes in this little tube. And again, it's a liquid highlighter. You can tap this on where you want it. You can add it to your foundation to make like a luminous foundation. Again, just absolutely beautiful. I've got glitter still on my hands. That is going nowhere soon. And again, just a beautiful glow. Like I said, I just remember a time when you couldn't find stuff like this at the drugstore, let alone the Dollar Tree. And now they've got their own products, so you don't have to run out and buy something high-end. It's a nice treat every now and again, but yeah, there are comparable products just like that at the Dollar Tree. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course, if you did, show me you did by hitting that like button. Again, share this video with anybody that you think may benefit from it or enjoy it. Like I said, in my opinion, these products perform every bit as good as high-end. We don't always need to spend a lot of money. I do love to splurge, and that's kind of why I can do these videos. Like, I have used a lot of high-end makeup over the years and still have a lot of it in my collection, but these products here have wowed me. So yeah, I just wanted to share some products from the Dollar Tree that I think give some high-end products a run for their money. Like I said at the beginning of the video, definitely check out the description box for related videos and playlists so you can binge watch more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.